All right, this is the last part of our video for Lesson 2 of Algebra 2, Unit 6. I'm going to go over the review questions with you guys and kind of refresh your memory on some of this stuff. So looking at number 14, you should recall you need to convert this into the correct form. And that's going to be basically just to get the y by itself. So let's just walk through real quick. You should remember you're just going to move the 4x across the equal sign like this, and that's going to cancel out that 4, leaving me with negative 5y equals negative 4x plus 15. Switch colors here real quick, and then I'm going to divide by negative 5. So real quick, just to review, you move the x and then you divide by the y. This cancels out, leaving me with y equals, which is what I want. And then these negatives cancel, leaving me with 4 over 5 x. 15 divided by negative 5 is negative 3. And so that should be your final answer for number 14. Okay, so just make sure you get that. There's other ways to do this. We could graph this using the Desmos calculator. That's always an option. I'll actually go ahead and show you guys what that looks like to graph this on Desmos. So 4x minus 5y equals 15. I'll put a description in the video for how to find the Desmos calculator. So that's what we would think of as the original line. Get rid of this keyboard. There we go. That's the line that they gave us right there. And then we would just go through finding which one of these matched that. So I could type each of these into another graph and see which one matches. So y equals 5/4 x plus 3. Okay, so pretty clear that is not the correct graph. So we go back and we look at the next one. That one says 5/4 x minus 3. Okay, so let's change this to minus 3. And no, that's not it either. So A and B are gone. Now we have 4/5 x plus 3 and 4/5 x minus 3. Let's go check that out. So we're going to change this to 4 and that to 5, and then do this to plus. Again, you can see still not the same. And then we are going to change to minus, which we know is the answer. But you can see now that the blue and the green line are the same line. And so that is how we know that 4/5 x minus 3 is the correct answer. Not much to say about subtracting matrices, but I'll show you the very first part. All you got to do is whatever is in the same position needs to be subtracted. So in my answer matrix, 5 minus 2, there should be a 3 here. And then I need to go from there. Then I need to do 2 minus negative 3, negative 1 minus 6, 4 minus negative 4. And that gets me my other 4 terms. So subtract the things in the same spot from each other. Lastly, find the midpoint. I'll post the midpoint formula on the class lecture notes. The midpoint formula is the following. You take x2 plus x1 divided by 2 and y2 plus y1 divided by 2. So basically you add the x terms and the y terms, divide by 2, and you'll get a point that matches one of your answer choices. So there's your formula right there. I'll post another version of that in the lecture notes, and you will be all set for this lesson.